Wow, very
Mama, can I
good.
remove this?
Can.
On my plate?
I go get that. Fork.
I put cat first. Leo is crying. I'm not crying.
See you cut properly.
Let's put some yogurt. No! Mama, teacher put yogurt.
Some are
Okay.
big, some are small.
So small.
You see, it's too small already. Oh, how come you cut like this? You see, this one is so big.
One big,
Ah,
one
okay.
big, one small.
For you, okay? You try, ah? Wow. The one is full of saliva.
Dio.
Ah.
Small.
Done?
Yan na. You try the cake. Mm. How?
Why?
How's the taste? How's the taste?
Good.
Good, ah?